I'm riding a 125. It's kind of small for me. 4-stroke. They lowered the suspension on it, so that's why it's kind of small for me. I'm at my buddy's house, so I don't know any of these ditches. No, dude, I cannot. I'm not good on a dirt bike. I'm better on a 4-wheeler or a quad. He almost biffed it.
I almost died, bro.
That's a decent one.
Dude, I almost died.
I seen that.
I was like this in the air, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, I got.
Did you get that out? You had to, because you were right behind me. Dude, I went like this. I was like, oh, this is my first vision. I got so lucky.
Whoa. Woo! Alright, we're at a gravel pit right now, so. Holy.
Probably one of those things that guy stole. He probably dropped something.
Woo! Wheelie. Dude, that was weird to hit. Whoa. Loose. This is very loose here. I do not know where I'm going, so. Whoa. Yeah. Climb it.
Oh,
Climb it.
no.
Over there, I bet you could. Right over there, but. Oh man, this is fun. I cannot see with these goggles. That does not work. I may not be the smartest guy in the book. Where'd he go? Yeah, I can't really. My other buddy, that the one that me and him own this YouTube channel, he can really good on a dirt bike. Should I try like sending it up it, like jump it a little bit, going up? I'm gonna try it. It's over there. I'm gonna get more speed on that. Not the best plan in the book. Alright, they got that on camera. Oh. I did not see that. Okay, kill it real quick.
On your name, you said, someone shade my name. Or something like that, and you kept driving. Didn't even look at me.
I'll come back and find you. Dude, I didn't even hear him, bro. Dude. Well, that part was fun. I wonder if my camera's broke out. I don't know. Where's he at?
Dude, I kept spinning out. You biffed it?
Alright, we have to get his bike stuck, or unstuck real quick. Or, we have
Now
to
I'm kind of
get
tired.
his bike out of there. Huh?
Now I'm kind of tired.
Yeah.
I don't like to put my goggles on when I'm not going because it gets them foggy for me.
I just do it so it's not sunny. Are we gonna keep riding here for a while?
Yeah.
Alright. Woo! We were up on that hill and we were jumping off it. That's pretty fun. And it kind of hurt. Ah, I suck. Nope. Not going that way again. Not right there. it might not. You might not be able to see it actually jump. Dude. You're doing the same thing I was doing. Did I try it? Oh! Gotta really pull up on it.